Okay, let's talk concealer, specifically why after 40 you should really only be applying concealer to the inner corner of the eye. Now for years we've been told to paint big triangles under the eyes like we're auditioning for a Cirque du Soleil clown act. Yeah, how's that working out for you if you're over the age of 12? But here's the thing, once you hit your 40s, 50s and 60s, all those fine lines and movement under the eye, they're not your friend when it comes to product. This area here, the inner corner, this is where most of the darkness lives. It's also the only part of the whole under eye zone that doesn't crease, move or fold up like origami every time you smile. So if you brighten just here, it lifts the whole eye and you look more awake. And you don't end up with that cakey crack concealer situation later in the day. Less is more, especially after 40. Think surgeon's precision, not baker's piping bag. So just the inner corner, tiny bit, blend it out, job done. Use a concealer or a corrector, it makes no odds. And you don't even need to set it. Remember, this area doesn't crease. You'll look fresh, natural, and nobody will say, nice concealer. They'll just say you look well, which is the goal. And if anyone does tell you you're doing it wrong, just smile. Remember, that area doesn't crease. Thank you for your time. Look, I'm not your mother, but she'd be disappointed, so subscribe.